Word of the day, inconspicuous.
What part of inconspicuous don't you understand?
Have you ever wanted to blend in and not be noticed? Maybe to avoid attention in a meeting or sneak into a party? Today's word is inconspicuous.
Try to be inconspicuous, okay?
It describes someone or something that doesn't stand out, quiet, subtle, or low-key. Think of spies, shy classmates, or even a quiet corner cafe. Inconspicuous fits perfectly.
You're going for inconspicuous though, near miss.
Sarah, you're hardly inconspicuous yourself.
Here are example sentences to use the word inconspicuous. 1. He tried to be inconspicuous while sneaking past the teacher. 2. The cat stayed inconspicuous on a windowsill, watching everyone without being noticed. Tomorrow's phrase will help you accept and handle life's tough moments. You won't want to miss it.